what we are discussing, we are discussing on the account symbols. Account symbols are the different business transactions. Okay, so what kind of business transactions? Customer deposit. Okay, so your the customer is depositing the check in the bank account. Okay, or you can see some VZ like you're issuing check to the supplier, so supplier issue. Okay, supplier issue, or you can have some other business transactions also. So let us understand this one. So what is this one, what I mentioned here? So this is your, okay, customer deposit. Okay, and this is your something, you are issuing check to the check issue. Okay, supplier issue. And your VZ, this is mandatory, main bank. We need one account symbol for the main bank. Click on save. So in case if you want to see different transactions, now you can ask me. So the bank has made made a payment of some interest to the company on the deposit amount, whatever the amount you have in your savings account, in your current account. So bank definitely will give for every quarterly charge, the bank will charge interest and they will give interest to the account holder. Do you agree? Company account. So that is also
Yes,
one
yes, sir.
business transaction. And sometimes so bank will deduct the charges for maintaining the account, yearly maintenance charges, so they will deduct. So that is also called bank charges. That is also one business transaction. You don't know, right, how much charges will be deducted by the bank? You will come to know only when you receive the bank statement. Do you agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you will see all the business transactions will be entered here, different kind of business transactions. But as of now, I'm just giving you some couple of business transactions. We'll see one more scenario once we learn the basic thing first. Okay, so as of now, two scenarios. I'm just trying to cover these two scenarios, your normal scenarios, as per this Excel sheet. This scenario and this scenario. Okay, two scenarios. Now we'll see. So you understood what is account symbol. Account symbols are nothing but different business transactions, like customer deposit or issuing check to the supplier. Okay, or like interest paid to the company, or interest charged by the company, or like bank charges paid, bank charges deducted by the by the bank. Okay, so you can see the different transactions. Now as an accounts to account symbols, now you have to define the accounts here, new entries. So account symbol, what is the account symbol? Just now we created, right sir? VZCD, right? That's what we defined.
CD.
VZ
Yes.
SI we
SI.
defined. So as of now we defined, don't enter anything here. IN currency is INR, GL account. So we already have the GL accounts, right? So no, let us check the GL accounts. So in Excel sheet I told you there will be only three GL accounts. One is house bank. This is assigned in the FI12. While creating house banks we assign this one. Under account ID we assign this one, right? This outgoing account we'll assign this GL account in FBZP while making outgoing payment. So this is not assigned anywhere. This is assigned only in the reconciliation. Okay, now these three GL accounts, make sure you have these three GL accounts. I think we already created while
We,
learning APP, right? While creating
yes,
house
yes, we
banks,
did. We
slash
did, sir.
OFS00. Definitely we should have some accounts here for the bank related.
We,
VZ01.
we have created already.
So assets. So we created three bank accounts. That is very clear. Main bank account is 1013, 1012, and 1011. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
let us assign these GL accounts. So we need to assign this one also. VZ, MB, main bank, INR. So GL account. So what is your GL accounts are here? Bank
1013
incoming
main bank.
1011. Okay. This is for your customer incoming. So this is customer incoming account. And VZ SI is your outgoing account bank. This will get cleared 1012. The other one is
1013. 1013.
1013. So 1013. So we have assigned three accounts. So customer deposit, supply ratio, and main bank account. Click on save. So basically for the different business transactions we are assigning the GL accounts. Okay. Now you understood both business transactions and essential accounts to the business transactions. Business transaction, I mean, account symbols are nothing but business transactions, but one is mandatory. You have to create one main bank transaction. Okay. Now let us understand what is create keys for posting rules. Now system don't know anything. What will be your debit? What will be your credit? We need to make system to understand what is your debit and credit. When you receive the bank statement from the bank, when you try to clear your customer payment, right? So its system don't know now what should be your debit and credit, that we are going to define here. Let us create it. Posting rule. So this is identification. Okay, here we define the posting rules. So let us give the same thing so that it is easy for us. VZ CD, which is customer deposit, and this is VZ SI. Okay, I'm just creating the posting rule. So posting rule for customer deposit and check issue for supplier, right? So descriptions depends, sir, how do you want to write it. Click on save. Okay, I've created two posting rules. One is for CD, one is for S5. Now let us understand CD, which is customer deposit. Okay, click here, posting rules. Okay, now you can see what is debited and what is credited. Click on your entries. Now it is very important. Now you should know what is posting rule. Posting rule we already defined. VZCD. This is for customer deposit. So now, sir, now you should tell me whether it is a subledger means customers, suppliers, and so on, right? Bank account is GL accounting. This is GL, this is customer, suppliers, or assets. That is subledger accounting. Now what will be my which one I should select it, sir? So
Second one, I think.
second one, sir, I'll tell you.
Bank
Now
account.
when I get the bank statement, when it's a bank statement in when I upload in the SAP system, I'm going to clear this account, this one, right?
Yes.
You're clearing this account and posting to this account. So both are GL accounts only. So do you think
Oh,
anywhere the customer came into picture? So this basically we are trying to understand this. Do you see anywhere customer is supplying coming to this account? So
no, no.
when I upload bank statement, I'm expecting this has to be posted in SAP system. So do you
Yeah.
see anywhere supplier customer?
No, no.
So ultimately it is bank impact, right?
Yeah.
So bank impact, bank accounting. Okay, posting area 1. Now, so since this is customer related, so customer related, what should happen? We are discussing this one. So debit your main bank account, bank incoming, clear credit. So it has to credit. So what we should write here? So debit main bank account, correct? Credit your 50, your bank
Clearing.
incoming account. So what is your account symbol, sir? VZCD only.
VZCD. Yeah.
That's what we created. So this one VZMB. Okay.
Main method. Main.
Ha. Now document type. This is common. SA. Posting type. Oh, either for okay. What is the posting type? Clear credit GL account. So basically, so this is coming on the credit side. So you have to post on the credit. So clear credit GL account. Basically, you're clearing and updating the credit GL account. Okay.
Yeah.
You're clearing the account by crediting it. The description of this one is you're clearing this account by crediting it.
Bank
So
incoming. Yeah.
basically, so this should be your fifth one. Okay. Press enter. You will get some message. Do not specify posting on the credit side. Okay. So opposite to your main bank, this is not required. System will consider automatically. Press enter. Now you can read, sir. So this is your posting rule, whatever we created here, and this is your indicator. So both sides, debit credit is on the GL account side. Both are GL accounts only. So that's the reason bank accounting. If one side of account is coming as a customer supplier, then this is required. Is that clear? This one posting area. Now,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
now debit credits you understood. What is the accounting entry from the for the customer? So main bank debited, bank incoming credited. So that's what we updated here. Main bank debited and bank clearing account credited. Now document type we are expecting to be posted with SA document type. It is business requirement. If they want to create separate document type also, it's fine. Posting type 5. Why I'm giving fine? Because I'm clearing this account. I am clearing this account by crediting it. Simple. I'm clearing this account, crediting it. Clearing with credit GL account. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
The definition.
Yes.
Click on
Yes.
save. So this is done. So system automatically it will identify and it will post with this accounting document for the respective posting rule. This posting rule will be in your okay, I will explain you. We'll come back to the transaction types. So this is done. Now come back to the next one. VZSI. Okay, we have one more. Now this is also same one. Now what happens for this one, sir?
Reverse. Debit
Reverse.
will be
Was bank account debit, main bank account credit, bank account debit. So this is a 40. What is the account symbol? VZSI.
SI.
And what is your, this is your main bank, VZ, MB.
CD. India.
Is it right, sir? So
Yes.
document type SA. This should be definitely what it should happen. Understand the
G4.
description, okay?
4.
You are clearing this one with the debiting
Bank.
here, okay? Bank outgoing, you are debiting it. So debiting the
4.
GL. So you should understand like this. You are clearing this GL account. You are clearing this account by debiting it while uploading the bank statement. Okay. So I'm giving 4. Okay. Now this system will ask you to remove this entry. Only main back side only we should keep. So do not enter posting on the debit side. Posting key, not this one, but posting
wow.
key.
40 we
Okay.
have. Yeah.
So now you can keep always. You should keep your posting key on the MB side. I know, but to show you, I just updated both fields.
Oh, yeah.
Click on save. So only on the main back side you should keep the posting key. Other side it is not required. Because why it is not required? We are updating this one. Here it is updated 50. But what about this account? This account will go to 4th. You are debiting it, right? That's the reason. You are debiting it. You are clearing account. You are crediting your main bank account. This is a definition. Debit, credit. Now, so under account symbols, we define business transactions and we assign GL accounts to the business transactions. We identify, I mean, the posting rules are the to define posting rules, but this is identification, and we define actual posting rules, what we discussed now. Now go back to the transaction type. So you're understanding, right?
Yes. Yes.
Click
Sir.
on new entries. So this is the something like we need to give file format, transaction type. So what is our company code? MT940. This is for the, okay, let me put it like this. File format name or something identification for the MT940 file format. So this is company code VZ01 MT940. Haha, I'm not seeing the screen. Huh? VZ01 MT940. It's a file format. So usually who will give this format? Bank will. If so, in your discussions with your client, right? You should the respective team. You should ask to provide the bank statements like HSBC bank statement, any bank which you are working with your business, Citibank or HDFC, whatever the bank that you want to configure in the system, you should request the file format. Okay. So here MT940 file format for BRS for BC01. Okay. So press enter. So this will populate your transaction type, just an identification. Click on assign external transaction types. This is something very important. New entries. Now, before understanding this one, sir, you should understand the file format, how the file format will be there. Let us take one example. Sir, this will be like, it will look like this, sir. Okay. Now, in your bank statement, so when we the company receive file format from the bank, MT940 file format, it will be similarly, it will be like this is an example. It will be, you'll have some thousands of lines, but this is an example. So what is this one? 20 is statement. 20 denotes, 20 identifies, it's a statement date. Okay, this is always is nothing but statement date. 20 is equal to statement date. Is that clear?
Mm-hmm.
25 is your bank account number. 25 is your bank account number. 28 is your bank statement number. This is statement date, this is statement number, this is bank account number, company's bank account number. 60F denotes your date your date and INR is value 0 is there. Actually value 0. Okay, here nothing is there. So your 60F denotes opening balance with amount. I'm just repeating it again. 60F denotes opening balance with amount. These are the transactions. 6186 is one transaction. 6186 is one transaction. Your normal transactions, either check deposit or check supply issue or something. Business transactions. Okay. 6186 are business transactions. Last is closing balance.
Okay.
Okay. So this is
So,
your, yeah. Yep.
if account number changes, then again
Yes, sir.
first 4 5 steps will repeat again,
Huh,
or else that will
yes.
come into separate file.
Yeah. So once you define, so I don't think that the account numbers will get changed frequently from the bank, right? Or from your side.
No,
If at
no,
all,
I mean,
for the new,
multiple banks will have a company,
yes,
right?
multiple banks, yes, definitely. Each bank will have one file, right? Separate files.
Yes, and this is the month end activity, right?
It depends, sir. If you're requesting to the bank to send the bank statement, they will send it, right? It's not an issue.
Yeah.
Like, from our side, like from FI side, I'm saying.
Usually, yeah, it is. I can say it is a month-end activity. But if you say that I want to within 15 days, for every fortnight, I want bank statement for the bank, then definitely we can request that also.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So let now. So these are called external transaction types. So how to identify in the file format? So these are, for example, if you look at here, FCD3, FCI3, okay, FCI3. So let me delete it. Couple of transactions here. We'll keep only two transactions. Okay. Now if you look at here, so did I deleted 86? The extra 86? Yes.
Yeah.
So I'll keep it like the 6186, 6186. I'll put it like this. So now you can see two transactions are there. One is for the customer deposit, one for the so we are so this is something that this is an external transaction type. Okay, this is something that you should discuss with your bank, and we need to ask them if for each every transaction this will get updated or not. See, every bank will have some different names, but for a testing purpose, I'm just giving one identification. Okay, now let us go ahead and update this file. But updating this file, so FCD3, FCI3. Okay, or else FSI3, we'll put it as FSI3. Is that okay? To identify supplier issue and check deposit, customer deposit, FCD3 and FSI3. So what I'll do, FCD3 and FSI3. Just make sure it should be the same value in your file format also, in your configuration also. If you're putting something wrong, then system will not throw. FCD3, that is fine. FSI3, that is also fine. First four character, external transaction type. Now, when customer deposit, so what happens, sir, your main bank account, when customer deposits, obviously your value will get increased.
Yes. Yes.
So positive value. So if you're issuing something to the supplier, or if you're reducing your
Reduces.
value, so of course
Yeah.
supplier
Minus.
definitely to reduce your value, negative value. Posting rules. Now you should give your posting rules here. So what is the
Okay.
posting rule? So what is the posting rule here?
VCD,
VGCD.
VZCD, very good. And the other one is
SI, SI,
VZCSI.
SI.
SI. Now, on what basis your this will get cleared? On what basis? This will get cleared? So the clearing criteria, this is interpretation algorithm. SAP is provided many algorithms. Okay, many algorithms. This will clear based on the so in real time I have used a couple of algorithms. So this is something I have used. I remember also document number search. Okay, so for easy understanding, I'm using this algorithm for clearing your criteria. Okay, I'll use you this the same one. Okay, now don't enter anything here. Just keep it as it is. Click on save. So we have created two external transaction types assigned to the posting rules with algorithm assigned document number search. Any questions on this one?
Document number such means like in the
So,
file whatever there in that.
I'll yes, sir. I'll will come to that also. Okay.
Okay.
Now, assign bank accounts to the transaction types. Now, this is another important one. So, what is bank key in our case? What is your bank key, sir? Slash OFBZP. Your bank come back to the bank configuration, house bank configuration.
6332233 something.
You remember, sir? Company code
Recent class
VZ01. So VZ01, select your company code, click on house banks. Now this is your city bank. So bank key 667788. So come back to the configuration 667788. You have to define correctly, sir. Bank account number. Go back to the bank account number. Your bank account number is under bank accounts. You have n number of banks, right? So this is your bank account number 222344. This is what you said, right, sir?
Yeah, all type.
222344. Is that correct now?
Yes, sir.
So you have to define correctly. So this is also done. Come back to the configuration transaction type. So we defined the transaction type. What was the transaction type? MT940 or VZ01?
No. VZ01
VZ01
M
MT940 I
nine
think.
one.
four
No,
zero
94.
94
94.
means the space is not sufficient. Currency class, ignore that one. What is this one? Memory record, this we can ignore this one. Company code, this is important. VZ01.
001.
Press enter. Click on save. Okay. Now we are good with the configuration. Okay. Business transactions, assign GL accounts to the business transactions. Posting rules, we define the posting rules, and transaction type. So transaction type we defined and assign transaction types, which are, this is something related to the file format. Okay, in the file we should have these codes. Then only system will identify and it will clear against your posting rules. Is that clear? And it will search based on the algorithm. This transaction type, this transaction as an external transaction types to the posting rules. So this is very important, sir. So if you ask me what are the important, then this is very important one. Transaction type and as an external transaction posting rules, because based on this only it will clear. This is a clearing criteria and your posting rules. What should be your debit and credit, and what are the external transaction types which are updated in the file format, in the file. Now come back to the our main thing. So now you should tell me what is today's date, sir.
It's
So
80.
2507. So what will do? This is your DD, right, sir? So 25 is 6th or 8th today.
Sorry, 6th and 8th.
6th, 8th
06
month.
06 and 08
08.
and
25. 25.
25, I think.
Yeah, 25.
but sorry, here if you look at here 25 is coming first, right?
Yeah.
So year, okay, let me put
Year,
it.
month, and date, I think so. YYDDMM. Sorry, YYMMDD.
25 is coming here, okay, and YYMMDD, right?
YYMDD, yeah.
Yeah, YYMMDD.
YYMMDD. So
Oh,
25
25,
mm
08,
08
08,
06.
06.
Okay, I'll just update the same thing here also wherever the date we have. Okay, correct me if I'm putting something wrong here.
Last lines.
Now let us update this one. Go to the bank accounts. So this your bank account number is 223344. Change this bank account number to 334444. Now you're understanding, right?
Yes, yes.
Your statement number always one, because till now we have not executed BRS, and your 60F is your 2508. So let us check the main bank account, house bank account. Do you have any balance in your house bank account? That's a good question, right? Now you are understanding. Do you have anything balance in any opening balance or /O FBL
I
3N
don't think so.
1013 1013?
13. Yeah, 1313.
So 103 doesn't have any balance. Is it correct, sir? 1013.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
city main bank. So city main bank doesn't have any balance, so balance is 0. So I'm keeping bank blank. Okay. Now 250806, this one C. Okay, this is credit. C means credit. Your customer at credit, right? This is debit. You are reducing your value. So credit. So let us see what we have in the for these two GL accounts. Incoming 1011. 1011. How much amount we have, sir? We don't have any value. What is another
Value.
account? 12
2.
also.
Was 12.
2.
12 also we don't have any value.
Yes.
So we have
1.
10112. We have this value 1100. Okay. So come back here. So for FD FSI3, let us put debit as
0,
1100
0.
value. Now this one is 6000. Okay. So let us post one entry. slash o fb 70 input. I'm just posting direct fi entry customer invoice. So with the today's date, company code is what is the company code, sir?
001.
VZ01. Let us take the customer, put debit here, Starlink, your favorite company, right? Customer. So this one, Control C, Control V. Reference is test 134 something. So amount is 6,000.
Yes.
We'll take the same
And
amount. Okay.
yes,
GL account is something sales account, customer to sales, right? So sales account.
1003.
Customer sales account. So do we have sales? Yes, we should have sales account. So 6,000 here also, since system will expect something related to the cost center something. So press enter. So press enter. Click on post. No worries. Press enter. So the document got posted with 811. Okay. Now we need to make payment for this one, right? Slash OF dash 28. I'm making payment, sir, with your incoming clearing account. Okay. You're understanding the process.
Yeah, yeah.
So now
Yeah, yeah.
payment. This is also payment something. Now you should make with the house bank.
Mm.
So
Consider under
house bank is your Citibank, and your select your bank again here. So this is your current account. Amount is 6,000, and the account is, what is your account, sir? From which
double six
account?
double one double eight.
Sir, account is not bank account, sir.
Oh, sorry,
Basically,
that is the
you're
double two double two.
receiving payment from the customer. So we
Okay.
have incoming account, bank incoming. So then only this bank income will be in open item, right, sir?
Yes.
Open item selection, customer selection. Sandeep sir,
Seventeen.
don't confuse her. Don't get confused, okay?
Yes, sir.
I'll explain you again. So Starlink. So click on process open items. So
Uh,
enter some value date here. Take today's date and press enter. So it will take you to the process open. You have many items, but it was not showing. But anyhow, leave it. Ignore it, sir. 6,000. We'll consider this item and the document. Simulate. Click on post. Okay. Is that
yes.
clear?
Posted, yeah.
908. So bank in this, when this will get clear, sir? When that will get cleared? When you 1012 and 1011,
Yeah.
1011. Execute it. Click on execute. So now both items are in open items. These two items, when this will get cleared? Only at the time of bank statement, when you upload the bank statement.
Yes.
Understood? Huh?
Okay. Yeah.
So basically what is happening, sir? In SAP system, you will post customer invoice and customer payment also. But this payment, it goes to the clearing account,
Back.
incoming
Yeah.
clearing account. Then only after uploading bank statement, this your incoming clearing account will get knock off with credit side, and your debit will be your main bank account. Two transactions will be in SAP. Well, last after bank statement, one more transaction clearing these transactions, and it will update you with your main bank account. Is it clear, or I'm confusing you again?
No, no.
Sir,
Yeah.
this we can clear manually also?
No.
So if you don't, but clearing this ends, I mean, we can clear it manually also, sir. I mean, instead of bank statement, you want to clear manually. That
Yeah,
also,
yeah. I know, sir,
that
because
also, that you can do, sir. What you can use
yeah,
many transactions, right? In SAP, many are there. So if you
yeah,
look at here,
that's what I'm
go to the
asking. Yeah,
go
yeah.
to the GL accounting and the financial accounting, GL accounting. So document entry, or see post with the clearing, we have this one,
Yeah,
right, sir?
yeah. We
Or
already learned with this type of things. Yeah.
post with the clearing, or you can try with this
Mm.
incoming payment also, or you can, this will be
F
sufficient.
dash.
Post with clearing will be sufficient. Just knock
Okay.
it off, just make it. So for the customer, what you will do, incoming payment, make it credit, and debit, you make it with the main bank account. That's it. Manual transaction. You can try, you can place, or you can pay the transactions. It's not an issue.
Okay. Fine, fine.
So now let us go back to the this report. I've just closed everything here now. So for the city bank incoming, we have 6,000 with 908. So CD, this is nothing but your credit amount with a customer 6,000 rupees with FCD3, FCD your transaction, external transaction type. What is the document number, sir? 908.
908.
And here, so city outgoing bank account with 1,100 with debited and your date and if it's external transaction type with the document number
Enter
15 not 1.
1501.
01.
Now tell me, sir, 6,000 minus 1,100, how much it is? Closing balance?
For
the
4,900.
5,100,
no, no, 49.
4,900.
4,900.
900.
Sure? Correct?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
click on save. This is fine. This is your file format, sir. Now let us go ahead and post the bank statement. So open another screen. I don't want to close this screen. I want to show you accounting. Under accounting, financial accounting, banks, and input. So bank statement ff underscore file, ff
Input.
underscore file,
Understood.
import. You are
Input.
importing the bank statement file format. So here import data. So this one it should be always empty 940 format, international
File.
file format, field 86 unstructured. Okay. Statement file, you have to copy the file from your desktop. Have we updated the file, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
What is the
saved.
company code?
That
Oh
Telu
my
MT 940.
god,
No,
we
no, no.
got MT
Telu
940.
MT
Yeah.
940. Yeah, today's date.
Okay, okay. So I did not copy the earlier one. Huh? Let it be, but fine. No worries. Save. Let me this one, right?
Yeah.
Rename to VZ01. Make sense? This is what you're
Yes.
Yes.
expecting, right?
TV. Yeah.
Okay, come back to the file here. Let us close this one again. Come back to the bank statement, upload the file. DOS desktop MVZ01. Okay, we
Yeah.
copied. So don't post anything, sir. Let us keep it as do not post. What does it mean? Test run mode. Just I want to see whether the data is coming correctly or not. Now we have
Okay.
algorithms also. If you want to enter bill number, bill or document number, or if we want to explain our reference number also, we can use these algorithms also. But don't enter anything because how many you will enter? Thousands of transactions will be there. So everything should be via configuration. So print bank statement, posting log, everything as print statistics. I'm just saving as a variant. So every time I need to enter these details if anything goes wrong.
Okay.
So what I'll do? VZ01, VZ01. Click on save. I have one doubt. Let me open one more variant. Get variant from the previous ones. On. So let us take Telu. So I've entered the same parameters for our company code also, right? Shift MT90 international format and to find this is fine.
Assign value
This is
date with
also
business.
fine. And what else you're saying? Assign value date
Assign
with
Reduce
valid date.
statement we didn't take, sir. Reduce
which one?
statement.
Which
Last
one?
one.
Reduce statement log in current
Last
file we
one.
didn't take. Last one.
Reduce statement lock. Okay, fine. So what I'll do, go to the variants, get variant. So let us keep this one. So we created one more which is Verizon. Okay. Now we're saying that this one is not updated, right? This reduce
Last.
statement lock. This is okay, fine. So now let us save again. We'll overwrite the variant because we changed again, right? Click on save. System gives it will ask you to overwrite it. Yes, overwrite it. So every time I no need to enter the details. Okay. Now click on execute. Now I'm executing the program, sir. Now executing the file format in the test
This
run
one.
mode. Okay, let
Oh,
us
yeah.
see whether we have updated the configuration settings correctly or not. Everything will
Again.
come to know. Execute, so you will get this information. So account 667788 222. So basically bank key and bank account number. That's correct.
Yeah.
Statement is not in the bank data storage. Just ignore the message. It will show like this only. Click on bank. It's not in the bank data storage in the sense in the SAP system we have not executed till now. So that's why it
Yeah.
is saying it's not there in the data
Okay.
storage. So update complete. See, something happened successfully. Now we'll understand. So this is your bank statement posting. Posting log from sessions. This is your session log, your identification details, backend program, date, and the page one, your company code and Hyderabad. No test run mode, no postings were made. Now posting area bank accounting, not subledgers. Posting bank accounting and your 1 and 2 transactions and your this 66118 is bank key, your bank account number, bank. Your posting rules, and this is your external transaction types, and system is trying to post, system will post transactions, it will post the documents with using this T code in the background program. This is a background program, it is backend program for posting the transactions. This is your document type we have given in the SA document type. And now, so do you think, sir, 6,000 what it should be? Your 6,000 you are receiving from the customer, so main bank account, debiting main bank account, you are clearing your incoming account. At the same time, vendor we are making payment to the supplier, so credited here, main bank account, bank outgoing debited. Is this is clear or wrong, sir? Accounting transaction.
Clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Incoming
Yes,
and outgoing, incoming, outgoing. So I don't see any error here. As of now, I don't see an
Mm.
error. So when I click on second, this is your bank statement posting, right? So posting log.
Posting.
When I click on back, so system give one more screen here. Okay, test run mode. Okay, bank statement processing statistics. So this is some address, I think. No postings were made, so we have not done any postings. So bank accounting, so basically bank key, account key, subledger. This is subledger in the sense it is giving the same thing here. So AB05 and your 6,000 1,100. Okay, so it is just adding it here. Don't
Yeah,
consider about this
total.
one, but 1100 and 6,000. But it should not give anything here. But so basically internally it is clearing your customer and supplier. Okay,
But total is showing
so
like
this is,
12,000 and
you can
2,200.
ignore this one, sir.
Number of
Total debit
entries,
and
like it is totaling up.
hmm, hmm. So here if you look at Sandeep, this is consider only this line. So 6,000 is total. Okay,
Yes.
this total again 6,000 is showing here. So 6,000 is showing here, 6,000 is showing here. But basically bank account total it is coming as 12,000. No, it is only 6,000. But it just ignore that one. So again, come back here. Second screen is also clear. I don't see any issues here. Come back to the main screen. Now the other one. Now here this is your external transaction. So bank number 667788, account number, house bank, account ID, statement number. Yeah, this is very beautiful. State number, statement date 06/08/25. Our date assumption was correct, right? DDMM, but
Yeah.
in file format we entered as
Year. Yes.
reverse.
Year, month, and date.
So come back to the main
Starting
screen.
Y by
Okay.
MM DD
So
format. Yeah.
in file format we entered as, are, in file format we entered reverse like YYMMDD, but in the output it is showing as MMDD sorry,
Correct.
DDMMYY.
Yeah.
This is also correct. So currency INR ID 69. What is ID? I don't know, sir. What is ID? Maybe in the system we are executing the
Statement
next
ID.
ID, I think so. But we'll see. Opening. Do we have any opening balance for our main bank
No.
account? No.
No, no.
And
Zero.
total debit 1,100.
One.
Total
One.
credit 6,000. Customer deposit. This is supplier issue. So closing balance is 4,900. This is
For the
correct.
yeah.
Okay. So this is fine. Now, so ultimately you should have 4,900. I don't see any errors here. FCD3 and FSI3. And your 9080 document number and 150 another document number with your respective on reference. This is coming from here, sir. 30 on reference, FCD. Okay, these are
Yeah.
coming from here, FCD3, FIC3. So basically these things, your this part you should get it from the bank. Of course all the details you should get it from the bank only, but identifying, clearing the transactions, this is important. On what basis you are clearing the transactions? In our example we consider transaction, external transaction type as FCD3, FSI3. We should make sure what we are receiving from the bank, the bank statement. Then only we can assign the configurations. We can do the configuration settings in the system. This is clear.
Yes, sir.
Come back to the next
Yes.
screen. So we configured, we have just checked all the screens, sir. I don't see any errors. Maybe while executing the program in the main program, while executing the without a test run, in the production run, we may face some issues. We need to rectify it. So what we'll
Okay.
do, we'll remove this one. So
Post.
put it in post immediately, but it will throw error saying that even though if you are executing the test run mode, system will not consider because you already executed in the test run mode. System already updated the data in the data storage has been updated for your statement. So we have to
Ignore,
delete it.
ignore.
We have to delete it.
Delete.
New GUI window. So SE38 is the program code. Sorry, SE38 is a program to execute the transaction. So what is the program is RFEB K96. RFEB K96 is the program. Click on execute. Now application. So which one we are executing, sir? Electronic bank statement, the first one. Now ID, just execute it.
69. Okay.
What you said is right, sir, but let us 69 only. So don't delete everyone, sir. Okay. So deselect all. So deselect, select only your relevant one. Your relevant statement 69. Delete this one only. Delete statement. So click on yes. So I
సార్
deleted
ఎందుకు
only.
డిలీట్ చేయాలి అది?
So every time, even though if you run program in test mode, system will update in the bank data storage. We have not executed the program, right, sir? Actual program we have not executed. I mean, actual production run.
Yes.
So SAP will behave even though if you execute the program in the test mode, system will update in the table. Now when I execute,
ప్రీ ప్రోడ్ లో చేసింది కూడా మనము
update
చేయాలి.
అయిపోతుంది ప్రోగ్రామ్ టేబుల్స్ లెవెల్ అప్డేట్ అయిపోతుంది సిస్టమ్ మనకి మెయిన్ ప్రొడక్షన్ రన్ కి అలో చేయట్లేదు.
వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. ఓకే.
సో
సో
it
డిలీట్ చేస్తే
basically
నాకు
you are
అవుతుంది.
deleting from all these tables the
ఓకే.
data.
ఓకే.
ఓకే,
Yes, yes.
ఆ బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ లో డేటా స్టోర్ అయిపోయింది. సో ఇప్పుడు సిస్టమ్ ఏం చేస్తుందంటే మీరు ఆల్రెడీ లోడ్ చేశాను అని చెప్పేస్తుంది సిస్టమ్. సో ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయాలని చెప్తుంది. సో దానికి ఏం చేయాలి, మనం డిలీట్ చేయాలి. బట్ యూజువల్లీ ఇన్ రియల్ టైమ్ దే విల్ డూ ఇట్ డైరెక్ట్ ఇన్ ద ప్రొడక్షన్ రన్ ఓన్లీ, రైట్? దే డోంట్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ ఇట్. ఎందుకంటే థౌసండ్స్ ఆఫ్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ మనం ఒక స్టేట్మెంట్ టెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. బట్ ఇన్ ద రియల్ టైమ్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్, ద యూజర్ విల్ అప్లోడ్ బ్యాంక్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ లైక్ ఎన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ బ్యాంక్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ విల్ గెట్ అప్లోడెడ్. బట్ డిఫరెంట్ కంపెనీ విల్ హ్యావ్ హండ్రెడ్స్ ఆఫ్ బ్యాంక్స్. డూ యూ థింక్ రిలయన్స్ ఇండస్ట్రీస్ విల్ హ్యావ్ 1 or 2 banks? Hundreds of banks will be there. So hundreds of bank statements will be coming every month. Just imagine what will be the volume.
Yes, sir.
So
ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ సార్, అంటే ఇక్కడ రికన్సిలేషన్ చేస్తారా మళ్ళీ వీళ్ళు?
so reconciliation, this is bank
Everything will be
reconciliation. So system will through the,
automation.
so system automatically so usually certain companies, they are like scheduling the this program has this BRS program, electronic bank statement program, will be scheduled, sir, automated. So
Yeah,
every
like
time, every day, every time,
batch
yes,
job.
job schedule, exactly, batch job. So come back to the main screen. Why this screen has been opened? Come back to the main screen. Close this one. Now try to post it in the main production run. I mean, not with the test run, but with the main production run. Same file. I'm not doing any changes. Click on execute with the post immediately. So now again system says not in the bank storage. So I can go ahead and execute the program. So interpretation running. Update runs. Update complete. Document 39 was posted, sir. So 38 document and 39 was posted. Good news, no errors.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yes, sir.
Now what happens to 38 39? Go your this one. What should happen this one? What
It
should
should be
happen?
cleared. It should be coming in cleared items.
6000 and 6000 should get cleared, right?
Yeah.
Refresh, execute it. So
Yeah,
6000 has been
green.
cleared, 38, and this has been cleared with 1100. Smart, right? So this is getting cleared with this reference. This is getting cleared with this reference.
Yes.
Enjoying the bank statement now?
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is the process, sir, bank statement process. Okay, now think from your side, what kind of business transfers that you can test it. Okay, now let us think something from the imagine. So bank deducted the charges from our bank account directly from in the bank itself. We don't know how much charges has been debited. You will come to know at the month end. I mean, when you receive the bank statement. So what should be our file? So let's close this one. Come back to the. I'll create one more file. So now you should tell me, sir. Okay, rename. I'm just putting as bank charges PC. They open it now. What is your balance, sir? Now what is your balance in my main bank account?
4,900.
4,900.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Go to the main bank account, your city main bank account has 4,900. So your main bank should be how much now? Earlier we have not updated anything.
Opening balance,
4900
yeah.
opening balance. Now I don't want these transactions. Okay.
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 Now, so bank charges will be debited by the bank. So we don't have any reference in our system, right? So we don't know, right? We don't know anything. So directly
Yeah.
system has bank has debited charges from our bank account. We'll come to know only the bank statement.
Okay.
Yes.
Correct. So how to define that then?
Miscellaneous second please.
So what I understand is, so you're debiting amount. Okay, let us take some 200 charges, bank charges. So what is this FIS3?
Supplier.
This is for supplier issue, but
Yeah.
we should
Supplier,
have
yeah.
separate transaction for charges,
Yeah.
bank charges. Make sense, sir? So this also will not be there because we know the document number, right?
Yeah.
Now 200, your 4,900 minus 200, how much is, sir?
3,700.
700.
So you should be your 3,700 your bank balance. Do you agree? So what we should do, we should create one more posting rule, one more everything. Come back to the configuration, sir. Okay. So account symbols. So what we should have account symbols? VZ,
Bank charges,
BC,
VG,
bank charges,
VC.
bank charges. For easy understanding, click on
Yeah.
save. Come back to the account symbols. So what will be, my system don't know which GL account we need to activate. So VZ, BC account symbol. Sorry. So this will definitely bank charges. What happens, sir?
Minus.
Negative, minus.
Why this
Yeah.
has been positive? It went away. Huh? Okay, let me put it here. Do we have an account, sir?
No, I think bank charges we need to
FS
pay.
00. Okay, expenses. So create. So charges, right? So 3,007.
7.
What do you suggest, sir? Do you think this should be a primary or non-operating? Well, let us put primary expenses, and this is your bank charges. We are trying, sir. Even I have not tried earlier. We'll try. Bank. Okay, let it put it in the caps. Copy C, copy V. Okay, control data balance. This is not required, so we created as a primary cost. So not this one, but 01, which is primary cost element category. Create bank G. So this is not required. Tax category is all tax allowed, and create bank interest is G004, cost account assignment 4. Now let us try to. So how much we are expecting, sir? Come back to the configuration. Now what is the account we thought here? GL account sheet. What is the GL account we created?
3,700.
3007. So go back to the configuration. Where is the setting? Here 3007. But I'm not convinced here, because why it is coming like this? Cancel it. I don't want to save anything. So here I'm expecting as an accounts to account symbols. Why this has been went into account? Okay, this is account modifiable, sir. This is not place number. Okay, we have another transaction. This is correct only then. So my understanding is correct. VZBC and account modifier, let it be currency INR. GL account is 3007. Press enter. Okay, click on save. Now is it clear for you?
Yes.
So create keys for posting rules. Let us create the one posting rule also. VZBC. So what should be here? Bank charges. Click on save. So posting rules. So now sir, what is the accounting entry for bank charges, sir? Bank charges entry.
So this will be debited.
Bank charges is expense account. Bank charges is debited. Okay. Obviously, we are making payment to the bank, right? So debit 100.
Yeah.
This is your debit, and your credit, you're reducing your bank balance from main bank account. So your outgoing, right? Main bank account. Do you agree, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This makes sense. So main bank account should be credited with. So main bank credited, this is fine, and this will be VZ BC.
BC.
Okay, sorry,
BC.
BC press enter.
BC.
Now
Pine hour చేయాలి కదా సార్
this is
పోస్టింగ్
fine
రోల్
only. Posting rule, so GL to GL only, right, sir? If I'm not
Rule, rule.
bank account only, right, sir?
బట్
No, no,
పోస్టింగ్ రోల్
area, not sir, rule.
ఈజీ ఎస్ఐ
Ha, shit. What I'm doing, sir? Okay, so I need to
Define
posting
posting
rules,
rule.
right? So exit. What I'm doing, sir? So here till here, fine? No,
Yeah.
right? Create keys for posting rules.
ఎస్ హియర్
VZBC.
C.
Okay, this is fine. Posting rules. We want to create this one, right? So posting rule
యా
is posting rule
BC.
is VZBC, and this should be 1, and you're crediting main bank account 50, and this is VZMB, and this is your VZBC.
BC.
So this is not required, but we'll see. The document type is SA. Posting type, this is very important. Now we are not clearing anything. Okay, so what we are posted to GL account direct, right, sir? Post to GL account, you are posting to GL account. Post subledger, this is for customer and suppliers, something account debited, credited, supplier or customer. Clear credit, debit GL, clear credit GL. So this is we already used. So clear debit subledger, clear separate. So basically this is the first one, post to GL account
Yeah.
direct. Okay, click on save, click on continue. We are not using ours, but fine. So I'm just what I'm trying to do is here you are debiting this GL account, this GL account, and crediting your main bank account.
Yes.
Got the funda? Now go to the transaction type. Now go to the position. So transaction type is, tell me, sir, empty 940. No, VZ is, we started with VZ, right? VZ01. So this is your transaction type. Double click on the external transaction types. Click on new entries. So what is your external transaction type, sir?
ఈజీ
So VZ BC,
యా
and definitely this is your minus. You are reducing the balance because since bank is deducting charges from our bank account. Posting rule VZBC.
C.
Press enter. Now I'm getting doubt here. Which one it will be the algorithm?
there is a bank transfer
No, sir. No interpretation. Click on save. We'll see. If it is not working, then I need to check interpretation if it is not working, sir. So now this is fine. Click on, this is same. No changes here, right? So everything is fine here also. So nothing to do here. Press enter. So this is also no issues with your. Well, the only changes are there here, posting rules, of course, identifications and transaction type. I'm just getting this doubt, sir. Only this is the doubt I'm getting now. What will be my interpretation logic? Okay, let us go ahead and process the transaction. So your opening balance, sorry, why I see only same now? 20 is your,
date
where is your statement? Okay, okay.
It is
So
correct only, sir.
correct only. This is your statement date, statement number, bank account number, and your opening balance and closing balance. And bank has sent one transaction related to the. So this one we need to change. VZ,
BC.
BC. Is that correct? So let us put it in the small letters. Otherwise, no, it is in capitals only. BC, BC. Okay. I think earlier we put it in the normal small caps, but fine, no issues. So this is fine. You click on save. Now we'll see, sir, whether it is processing the transaction or not. Go back to the program mode. Now first statement has been completed. Now we are executing with the do not post with the second statement. Okay. So this is not all file format. BC bank charges file format. Click on execute. So INR 1200 VCBC 30 is not a valid amount. 30, why am I getting O, sir?
That reference, I think so that we need to remove.
1200 VZBC.
Because that was reference number earlier.
Another 3 we have to keep, I think so.
I didn't. It's not a valid amount. 1200 VCBC.
30 is not valid, I think, sir. You remove 30.
Where it is, sir? VCBC or identification, right? 3 on reference is okay. Let me go to the transaction types, sir. So if you look at here, we have 3 transactions. Okay. So what we
Sir.
are doing here? So uh,
VCBC 30
VCBC
30 that we need to remove, I think so.
end reference becomes end reference. On reference is right. We need okay. This 3
Okay.
has to be removed. This 3 has to be removed.
Yeah.
Save. We'll try if possible. We'll see. Anyhow, if you keep this file also open, no worries. So what I'll do, I'll go ahead and execute the program again. So import program. See, sorry. Go to get the variant. So I'll get it every time. No need to enter all the values, sir. Just create one variant. Position. Now this one I have to change the file format because we are using PC1 and so I want to do it in the do not post. Click on execute. So still I'm getting the BC 1200 BC BC O BC BC O BC BC O. So again system is asking this one on reference.
Can we click on that message box, sir? Yeah, answer.
Stop. Nothing, you will not get anything, sir. I know. So what we should do is external transaction type. Okay, let me open another file, sir. Also your main file. Okay, I'm taking it to both files and just verifying the configuration. Okay, so this is your BC, sir. Okay, now verify all together. So on reference is required. So basically FCD 3 on. After amount you see 4 character. Okay, after 4 character you should have 3 on reference. 3 on reference. And basically I'm expecting 3 on reference here. Right?
Yeah.
3 on reference. Okay, 3 on reference. This is what I'm expecting, sir. 3 on reference / PCBC is identification. Let me do one thing. I'll just put it in the small case. Okay, VCBC. That's the only difference I see. What other than that, I don't see anything, sir. Very sensitive, right? 250806 INR 4900 your opening balance and 2561 250806 D 1200. So basically we're deducting the charges with the deductible. Okay, 1200 and amount FSI VCBC and the posting rule VCBC and the 3 on reference. So these 4 characters we are using VCBC, right, sir? 3 on reference we'll put it as same. We are considering same as it is only. But earlier we got the
Okay.
same error. The only change is now this one only, right? Okay, let us check once. Okay, sir, we'll see. If it is not working, then I need to research. Go to the program again, exit. So ff underscore import, click on go to variant display. See, display only. So this is fine. Go to the VC01 and RA get, click on execute and VC01. Go to the file format, BC, do not post, click on execute. It's irritating. VCBC 30, VCBC 03030.
సార్ అది మనం అక్కడ డాక్యుమెంట్ ఇవ్వలేదు, దానివల్ల వస్తున్నట్టుంది.
డాక్యుమెంట్ నెంబర్ ఎందుకు ఇస్తాం సార్ అసలు? మనకు అంత
No,
తెలియదు
no,
కదా.
no,
బ్యాంక్
no,
స్టేట్మెంట్
no. అది కాదు సార్, ఇక్కడ నో ఇంటర్ప్రిటేషన్ ఇచ్చినాం కదా ఆల్గరిథంలో.